Bam to them again, boom back style, and nobody can't thwart it.
Me
You know about Popolampo and Timbe. You tell yourself from them coming out the street. Them is always mad and nobody can't thwart it. Yo, them shot too great and strong. Them always kill out there, you them on the street. The music always sweet. How happen to them again, you can't thwart it. I always tell them, I said, what?
Mono motukura, atmosfere peku. Boys, wabawanya era mi peku. No fear no kone mapi.
Send na money na money no. SK Media Service bibia ya hono. Na ene we bisa say infa na yewo ene yewo no nwa na ye video awa ha say. Ma share me brai awa ha say. So wonim na e bia na ene first time a wo hwe me brai ba. Like I say oye famous. Una wonim no. Aha. Nti mesre say wati edin invest mebo di ni krapo ono ankasa mebo ni di na wa introduce ne ho e de akyerew na mesrese na any first time we share SK Media 7 na wa subscribe na like na wa share e de ama fofu so na subscribe you unima de obeye just drop a comment say I subscribe na meet me ehun say wa subscribe to SK Media 7 na ompanyi pese wo ankasa wo bo udi e de kire Amansan, the fro say.
Okay. My name be Popolampo, but Popolampo will be my surname. My full name be Gideon Tete Popolampo.
Gideon Tete Popolampo.
Yeah. The name is not Popolampo, it's Popolampo. But because of the music, where I say now make a change and then do on Popolampo. So of the Popolampo, people no go feel they don't go feel mention the Popolampo or that be why I do am so. Say POP. But I never, my book everything I get the same spellings. Correct spellings for there.
So the correct spelling they are.
It be PUPLAMPU.
Okay, we you change I do
POPOLAMPU.
Popolampo.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is say na we name no. And then any Popolampo no just kakipe.
Popolampo kakipe.
Kakipe. Yeah, and say na we ti dey no. The name be Adan, as you know, the Ga Adangbe people.
Yeah.
As you know, no. So now, medical year. My previous video no about Ga Adangbe. Me video say, I say Ga Adangbe no. They are not going far in terms of development. Ni nyamanyamana. Na enyesa neti. The share your brother bit set tiny. Ni sakrofoni nyina mo nyina omo ye nkranfo ne mum ye hia support ebe push sakrofo no de akọ enu ntina as you know me plus my brother Popolampo Kakipe,
yeah, the one
we are here to do a video about the music industry ono our into music na Popolampo like first time I meet no and I would dress, I say, what the teacher say, Pastor B, and I say, they share musicians, as they dress, they dress, you see them change everything. The rep see this person in the musician, but your dressing be like you can be.
Yeah, that be the brand. Everybody then brand.
Okay.
Yeah, you see, last time you see me, I be different. This thing, yeah, it be so way I just the change.
Okay.
Yeah, if you see me different, like now. My dressing be different. If you see me with this thing, so you see, I be product. So I for keep that brand, give myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I want make you give me some freestyle about any of your music.
Okay. I came mono motukura. Atmosfere peku. Boys, wabawanya era mi peku. No fear no kone mapi yomrebo take cool. Ole kama chegogo, kono ke chano gogo. Alo malali yawe, koni mawo take away, mawo ye hepita. That be no way. Mache bra ata. Alo Jupiter. Wayata kromo yawo otade. Maheta tale. Alo koliko. Jukwe konina. Eje goliko. 31st pe. Lo yasolemi. Koloma yasolemi. Nema sinya fole one. Popolampo Kakipe.
Popolampo Kakipe. Yeah, as you know.
Yeah, man. This song, the title be I'm Back. It be drill beat, hip hop drill beat. It be where I get a nomination for Dangme Music Award. So we vote.
Okay.
Yeah, man. It go end on the 15th.
15th of
this month, October.
Which is October.
Yeah.
So if I will ask her, which type of music do you do?
I mean, actually, I be a rapper, but in music industry, you don't have to be in one channel. You have to be all in. Like if you rap, if you do it all, cause you might not know. Record label might come ke ekula ma sign mo lo kikon. But like ka ye gan ekule onye kake no kake pure, ekule rap song rap pure. No like Ghana young ko rap up pure. It's hardly for people to listen to you. Yeah, ko appeal rap or bo ke ula bo ke yeah. Wahani ni do bo we make the people dance more. Yeah.
That means you do rap. You start to sing.
Yeah, man. We are be songwriter myself.
Songwriter.
Yeah, man. Me now they write my songs then.
Okay, so that means your song no. Nobody they write.
That mean.
You know they write.
Me, yeah, I'm not telling you thing, man. You know, he arrange your, but then it's only your hand here.
Okay. Cause Kima Bimo pure like unge team no keme tumo nilo account or management. Hello.
I don't have management, but in a team. Yeah, I have team. Boys with them be my back. Boys not get easy. I get movement to push it, but I be management. But they are management, but they are team. Okay. Yeah, because then they push me small. Yeah, so I will feel call them say they be my management.
Yeah, that means you don't get somebody this is my manager. Cabinet wanga eko sako there a manager. Shatawali Stonebwoy those people.
Yeah, currently those people I have no, I'll feel call them say they be my management. Because them they help me in terms of shows, interviews where I go. Them where they delay the pipeline give me before me I go. Sometimes I feel they house where they go call me say, "Mono not showing you so if I go." So then they act as a management. So then be my management be that.
Okay, so that means your people now.
My people now.
So in terms of financial support, how will they get those?
Charlie, it no be we dey find them difficult, but Charlie with God, you know, sometimes if we go some places. It be them now, with them they do everything.
Your team.
My team now, everything be them now. We don't get any record label. But we now we push on our own brand. Because Charlie, you know say the industry inside it hard. Because if you say go sit down, okay, record label never sign more. Now I be jumping. As I know Sueko, no go do record label my back. Okay, now hard working, before the label go come say we won't sign you. But if you say you won't sit down, say the label nah. So my team they work hard, give me you push the brand.
So that means now you won't work harder. So your work go prove say now you qualify say you forget manager.
Yeah. You know we say I qualify self like I qualify. Okay, see I forget them. But you say in every industry or in everything we do, it be level, it be step by step. You might not wake up. You can't know adike bang. So yeah. I'm refine mo. All I niko ma bu abe, niko ma like my backslide mo niko no. But without the hard work you no get pure. Yeah, when I come agum, jano mami kra, process industrial music or process. Obesity no bang ko hit. Obesity no ma hit jam.
Okay, pure ke ima be mo. Stage no ngatla Dangbe music industry, alokumo o music industry, music or no repair. The stage no halane o music asu.
Okay. When I from the way back, hardly for a Dan artist to rise, Dangbe artist to rise. Wait, Charlie, if sometimes you take our music, go say make them prayer because they don't hear what we did speak for the music inside. So hardly for people to understand us or to even play our music. But right now, I see say my people they force. The Dangbe people, my artists they force.
Okay, that means they support.
They support. They are damn people. They Ghana Dangbe people. We right now to the other tribe to. You say that's what I talk say. The thing will be brand. So the way you go package yourself, you be so way people go buy you. Whether they understand what they do, they understand. They go take them. So me, I expect say. I don't want make we push the Ghana language, make it go serious.
Okay.
I don't want make us say maybe by 4 years to come, maybe that Dangbe artist hit. We to our language they jam for radio top with them just hey Charlie, right now these people Charlie right now then they hear of course see the Kumalika people. Yeah man. We make a talk say then time be tiny way they rap the Ghana, but right now they see and so off, time come be baale be ya yale ba yeah koloke no koji no kumaba sa ko dem kra no na no dem go ni kumaba janole adown we dey rise kolo as time come you will see other artists who are marvel.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Marvel niche.
So that means in terms of the music industry, but are you the only one where you talk say the whole Gan Adangbe, you dey rap or you dey do music or other people dey?
Oh, child artists dey where them they do Gan Adangbe rap.
Yeah.
Child people.
Okay.
Child people dey where them they do. But because of the finances we are the talk, because of the media houses too, where then they understand our language, I pay Aswina Mafia, Koke Yaponicho, no no hardly. So but big ups to Nikomeka Radio Adaniko. Sometimes Chonaga Ning Adan. So they promote the artists for them. Big ups to Ubunu TV, Ubunu FM. Nemo Angedangbe, Gandangbe language or promoting. So with time everything goes change. Where we go see. With time, everything will change. You will see.
That means the Gan Adangbe, like 2 years to come, you will see difference.
Yeah.
2 years to come, you will see big time difference in the Gan Adangbe music industry.
Yeah.
Is it only one music you get? The only one music?
No, I don't get one music. If I say I want to drop album right now, I go drop. Seriously. If I say
give me different. Song, any of your song, like different.
I get track name Kenam Seller.
What?
Kenam Seller.
Kenam
Seller. Inge Wado. Inge Dangbe. Inge Narration of Jesus. Inge Mission. Like here. Wow. Kick my drop EP, pure man my drop. Kick my drop album, man my drop right now.
But in terms of support, financial support. You know, see, talk of this music industry, if you do it, you forget backup.
Yeah.
In terms of financial support, anything you do, now it be money.
Yeah.
As we do now, if you don't know, if they link.
Yeah.
If you don't get the link to it, will be hard for you. As you say, you go do some interview for Onia FM. As you say, those people already the support.
Yeah.
But the support way it they come. Your town, the Adan people, the whole entire Adan chiefs, I look at the community, no, and the support.
Okay, in terms of support, them they support. So if I take my track go Radio Adan, they play give me without taking any money from me. Yeah, man. Where the DJs for there too they play. Big ups to DJ Use. Big ups to DJ Costello. Big ups to Ike Akwisi. Yeah, those people and DJ use on each other. Personal DJ key down.
Okay.
Yeah, when they do my movement or in way they promote my music. If I go down, he too be my manager for there. If I come across here too, I get another team. So, no call it okay. It be brand. Yeah. So the DJ use we there down. We be there.
Okay, so we take your music, go any radio station. Say make the pre like. Abu Oyabemi.
No, I never take my music go radio station with them. Some then take we later they play them. They don't go play them for my that right now. But sometimes I go feel what people would call me. Hey Charlie, we hear your music for radio station. Oh, then I say, wow, maybe myself I know here, but people here we I mean so I'm here language radio station. Cause no media house reject. But sometimes because they so a job. Language only chepo the style of you no market pillar so that tapi no fair no mu adan because you have to blend it with whether pidgin or English ko ni dan you only him some here purpose I want to sell adan so more time you lamo you hear adan more less pidgin less English less munyo mix your communicate pure
color kan owo like ya radio station ko ke afialata gane angemu kan what's the meaning of what you are saying?
Oh no, collector ni bele John, collector ma de kesi o amuolo amu. But ke in be sure kan no ma mu ke jini ke ma mu. Jini he will not take the track.
Okay.
Even to play. Yeah, even to play we be track opo.
Okay, so for Ghana here, which artists you want work plus?
For Ghana here right now if I get artists like Sack, Shatawale, Stonewall. But the artist way right now, if I get that way, I won't do music plus and be Kofi Kinata.
Kofi Kinata.
Yeah, I did listen to him.
Okay, Kofi You say who nye difficult.
Yeah, man.
Say na munyina mu boaboa upcoming musicians no. Ye ni wie pa say obetimi support ye. Ye brother Popolampo Kakepe onya wo support. Ewiase no you see enam you can say biaso enam bia na homaye de ehun so. Nti for somebody to grow, you need somebody to work to help. Yeah. No matter who you are, you need somebody in life to support you. Nti yesre Kofi Kinata say bia unhwe no bi na ehwe a wo wonim Kofi Kinata be say wo the message we and as a video you be share no na wa support ye bra Popolampo na ni music and the style of music and I say the music all ye no there so one kasa utie music na obe say oyadi ye pa
because reason why I didn't check Kofi Kinata because I have some tracks child track way like a style of singing and a style of musical if I got him on it or like I see like bang man my blue dangwe language my blue because the dangwe and the fanti ka brain or man can hear people will be like wow you know pick another koteku ke no na kepuno we only na kepuno yeah
okay so like you try say you will contact Kofi Kinata.
No, I never try yeah I never try but I know say with time I go work hard way I go get them yeah I will.
Apart from Kofi Kinata, who else?
Oh, if I get medical too, I dey like.
Medical.
Yeah, EMG medical, I dey like. If I get Kwesiata too, I dey like. Wow, medical Kwesiata. Then this thing Kofi Kinata.
So those people, Kofi Kinata, medical Kwesiata, those people you meet them one-on-one before.
Yeah, I never meet them one-on-one before. Okay. I never meet them one-on-one before. That one day, I never meet them one-on-one before. But more time, like I dey go to my page, they follow them, then things for Instagram, then things. We them too, I dey see them, they follow back. Yeah, I see them. Yeah, I don't dey chat them, but I see if I follow them to for IG. Okay. Yeah, I see. But I see with time, those people, I dey get no kono ela. We've hard work, Umana. Yeah, this solimuta ne mau geno. One day my do chale movement of ipai color wasan wa people mu. Yeah.
Pure oyaso lemlo ale oyeso because of the music industry. The music no pure.
Iya so wa we chabi ka the music pay color be solimi ya. Ke mauta okay no fiano ke ni believe o. I mean I'm born into Christianity from childhood. Yeah, so I'm a Christian. And I'm a prayerful person too. That's why you say sometimes you see me address because of the calmness in me, So yeah, sometimes I do react like calm. I don't want to be like
So now I look pure. The music industry, I look music. The style of the music are not only pure. Pure become pressure. It burn too much. Okay, also time hine pressure shows where they play shows, people they call you Popolampo, come here. The church, are you going to leave it behind? Or let's say today be Sunday, where you get show, where somebody you won't go church. You go the church camp before you go the show.
I mean more time the shows it depend. Shows on my club go bar. Okay. How do you look at this show my bar no?
You see, this is we did
how the logo you show about motu.
Okay.
The one I charge on motu le wire. So it depends.
Now we did October, November, December. December be cocoa season for musicians. So now your team they put something in place for you with like shows to come. People will from outside camp, they go play shows, they go talk to Popolampo, we get show, we get this for you. So in terms of those things, December to people will go church. When you dey church, you won't go church. Where those shows to come, how you go do them?
Oh no, it be talking. That's why I talk. You say church, it be all those say it be December, but church they come morning. It be only 31st way that they do them in night.
No, like let's say you won't go in the church morning, where you get shows to morning. Then evening.
Yeah, it be time. I mean the church to get time, the show to get time. So them all know they clash.
You sure?
Them one know they crash.
You will go church in the morning. Maybe this December time, people will, like somebody get party or something, they will call Pupolampo. I want you come pray this show for me in the morning. Let's say from 6 to 7 or 6 to 9. You go in the morning, evening time to get show.
You know something. You are the artist, so you shouldn't let the person put pressure on you. Oh Charlie, okay, you want this 7 o'clock, okay, I'll be like this. My actually, so Moke do one like this. Moke, if I beg you, if you can push my time little bit forward, give me, so say I go feel worship God, because without God you cannot do whatever you want to do.
But you see, there is always, they said opportunity come back once.
Yeah.
Maybe that's your opportunity. So when the person call you, you go talk to the person, oh, I want go church camp before. How you go do that?
No. That's why I just say, it be God. God to go touch the person in this thing. So you might not, but the case you sure or solemnly see no happen no. More one I can answer. If I bless you, I be so now where you go do.
Okay.
Yeah, you go talk.
These people, Kwame Eugene, those people are them more they be church goers.
Yeah.
As the pressure shows they come, no. Some
but if they go church,
they go alright, but sometimes for it seems last 2 years or so, they interview Kwame Eugene where they ask him to what's the last time you go church? We say it's because of the shoes and things. Sometimes from here to here, from here to here.
You tired, so you only have to 1 day to rest.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it come like that. You go see now the church.
Yeah, now
your business
drag you from God.
Yeah,
they drag you from the church. That one day he did. That one day he did. I see where he did. Yeah, that one today. So if it happen like that, as an artist now, okay, I go feel put the church. I go talk say, oh, today I no go church and pray to God before leaving the house.
Okay.
Yeah, I go feel decide not to go to the church, but I pray to God. And God, oh, this and this and this and this. So, yeah, then I go the show.
You know Labina,
nah.
You don't know her? You know him or you don't know him?
Nah, I don't know him.
Oh, Labina. Into the Adan lady. Labina. Oh, sorry. Along with pure Adam will say pure the style of music be like it be English and P.
Oh yeah,
So those people ask into the Ada lady. If you contact those people, wait them till they come together. Them till you go see the Ada music industry, which will go.
Yeah, Abi Dangbe Music Award. We do some challenge. I know they the actual track. I know they top, but we do some challenge beats. The actual beat way they use no. Then post time where they say everybody for do invest. We me to I drop my own plus video, small video. After this thing I go play show you go see them. So the other people there I'm ready to work with everybody where you go come my way. No fear no going back to actually. I'm ever ready. I'm ever ready. Because those time I'll be going there way back SS wafia show here Miss Asafotu wa battle here center the John Asafotu wa battle ni then time on Kaba. The reason why I don't care my the reason why Kaba those 3 people come no Asafotu but you see the 3 people rapping. Why? It's anybody. So always there be only SS get ATTC. So keep drop week on. I'm going to battle. Wait, I don't get nothing. But you will not my call. I do. So I done the rock. I done rule. Okay. Rock. I done rule. Purely while I need to keep brand. Oh, my day almost like a year now. I never climb stage. Yeah, I never climb stage because we want to work hard on the brand before. You have as I know open word, open like for the other them write things, work hard, open links for me. Cause now you shouldn't have to be in a show without getting nothing. Now that as I know a show no you forget something more out of the show.
As they talk the show, you go pre-show for some place where they pay you all.
Oh, I go shows where them pay.
They pay.
They pay.
The shows you they go.
Yeah, it no be all, but some go give you. Oh, Charlie, take this one for transport.
Okay.
Yeah, where that one too. A good pass the person no go give you anything.
Okay.
Some dey pay, some to Charlie take this one for transport. We Charlie, if you open the road, you see say Charlie, maybe something wey you two go fit take do your things.
Okay.
So Charlie, well, it depends on you, the artist, the way you go carry yourself.
Friends where they did music.
Yeah, I have friends.
What about Kumarika?
Kumarika, I don't know anybody for them.
Okay.
I know Kumasi, I don't know, but Accra here, I know Chow.
So
I know Teshin Boy, I know Zoom, I know King Zoom. Where I know Waisa too. Me then meet 101. Yeah, me then Waisa meet 101 for. Now, by the way back when my son Engineer they work for him, Skillis Beat. So yeah. So if it's Skillis Beat we produce the Coco. I like your Coco. My son Engineer that. So then more time if I go there, they meet some of the artists. I dey serve. Oh, I met Chow artists for them. So, from here produce sound engineer, Skillis Beat. Cause way back Kuntaka ba Legion. So que Legion le wa kla wa pay when. So we exchange contacts wa bon wa hifiam. So I have a track ni ma pay. Or link up Uchali ko this is the track we I want do. Me track lepo na enu beat up color. Do aba. It was like Charlie I'm busy yahiko. So a verse just say be me how ni la ke chon. So lepo ba pay a verse up for sing. Whilst now people him him record doing because he was busy at that time. That time when he winning hit maker because he pick a hot kick. Yeah, people want him get every track on. So if you neighbor no pack no le wire studio. Way back still is fair beat or hammy. Basically they pay busy but go beat or another studio. We record no data can ask is big back le mix no fear no. To a drop track or I pay banger but just can video le one with that time.
So how much we Kuntaka take from you?
Ko never charge me.
No take any money from you.
What if the transport self we I give them for transport? You don't take money from my hand.
We no ask you say you pay me.
Transport.
That means you try.
You try because some of the artists you call them pay me this, give me this before I will come.
You try say you call some of the artists, those top artists. Let's say the top now. I will fit to say Ghana. The top ones we saw called there Shatawale, Stonebwoy,
Medical.
These are some of the top artists.
Yeah.
So from there, we have Kusi Atta, Kwame Yuji, Kidi, those people. Them two. I know they talk say they don't be top artists, but you see everything. As they talk say we get senior
inside everything.
We try say we contact somebody we contact the person. With the person they demand for money.
Oh, right now there you see say everything is about money. Well, before you go get those artists, is from you go get them. Anytime you go get them, but you go talk to my management.
That means from the management.
Yeah, man, you need to
try to tell you
drop
business.
some. Yeah, man. It be where the team be business. That's why from beginning I talk you say the way you go carry yourself, Jaleni mahemu. Like beno ma pro brand or Jaleni manamu. So before my man do Charlie see my management. Long time I do see my management because a work color can a personal nutu name machu. Le be machu colony like e be no ko na nyemi. Kolomado ko na management. Ko ke management tok gbenya. Enye lejon hamo. Management e go ma said no fian no ko.
Ko pure no I can use no. The pure manager ko ba pure ke ko Pukulampo. I watch your video on SK Media 7. I'm ready to support you in everything. What will you do?
Now, if management can pure turn the thing is about deal. It's any as an artist, you have to know those deals. It's no what is manager I want to help you so no that means you are hung for the fame. And the thing is business. What about
that means you look at the contract.
You have to
favor you.
Yeah, man, you have to read the contract well. Okay. Some people they can blame the contract. Say, oh, Charlie, key sign mamo phone 6, mamo we kaki, mamo lo key contract. So man, I can after the sign, oh man, I can no go net sugba nyeja. One ka po be ko ya su or drop people on my okay. So I mean, I will urge some of my colleagues say if the label come read the contract well before you sign it, and make sure you have lawyer.
So now, do you have lawyer?
I don't get lawyer. That's why I talk. Say if management comes to one sign me, it be those things we are go do.
Okay, so let's say the management come, where they put everything, you read everything, the day inside, where they go shoot video, music video, where they say, oh, take dropping camera. How you go do it?
Okay,
he said, cancel that.
No, I no go cancel. He said make I take dropping cam. If I come, be you go pay. Okay. But in the contract inside, you still say you will give me car. But if now where you sign me, no find go chapi gidi. You go like pack with sign me. Some of the labels on one car sign money. They won't try you, then make them see how you do. Yeah, call my page and now can reaction. So I will go. But in a channel 6 months. Now I will tell you, this is not how we. No, cause you sign me as an artist and you need to treat me well, cause I'm a brand. Yeah. Okay, you are getting the money and I'm losing.
Okay. So these are some of the things that an artist need to watch.
Yeah, man.
No.
Yeah, man.
When management is
coming.
Okay.
You need to sign the agreement with them. You have to watch the agreement inside work contract.
Are you mad?
Charlie, kick on low, kick on. Amamu, kick on low, kick on. As I don't make sure, those things will be given to you. Say, your man, chunu mike wa kutukumi. Cause okay, me sign your social media, everything they are going to create everything new for you, and they will be banging the money inside. Stream your no manakra is going to them.
To them.
Yeah.
That means your personal social media is going.
Yeah, man, they will be managing everything for you.
You are not going to handle everything.
Yeah, because right now, as I am doing my own thing. I do manage my social media handles myself.
So you upload everything.
Yeah, man. I
upload them.
Yeah, man. I'm telling you, okay. Sometimes my team too do. Okay. I don't live for them. Challenge you, no. But I'm a man of like fast. This mene no ko dilio. Kina no pa. Cause kina can get no na amche. I'll do it myself.
Okay, Popolampo. People they talk say anytime you go shoes or places, you cover your face, they know they see your face. My viewers, they won't see your face.
Oh nah, face there you go see. I mean they see my face this. My face this.
You say they won't see your real face.
Real face, okay. This be the real face.
Okay.
This be the face.
So my guys, this is Popolampo.
Yeah, this be the face.
Yeah.
This be the face.
So I won't make you give us any freestyle again.
Okay. I'll give you narration of Jesus. Okay. In the beginning was the word. Lemunyo eke mawulenge le John. Lemunyo jimawu eke mawulenge sisije. Abono fiano ko kegweno ko bena bosin. Emile wana wala. Emino wana kane. Achono ko keba no mono bieji John. No mono bajomi. Kone bachon kanyo. Si mo lele gbaloji yo chapile ji kanyo. Abojomi kegweno si John kese Eli. Neniwe mahile mayele macheme bime. So prepare the way cause Jesus is coming. Wawalo wakweta. Neniwa hawa wala. Okay. Na miye pa le bofogebe basameri. Le han le munyuko. Le chema wude ka ono le magula ma for David bi no makwe le bie magbefinya le jon le meru leke ami ili nyumu le bofoge bede leke le moko ye gbeye ma wu ma penya pe ni lo ma fo so that's the
that is guys this Popolampo is on fire.
Yeah man.
Popolampo is on fire.
Yeah man.
Popolampo
Takipe.
As we talk now, we won't end our interview. So what you get or you want say? Talk. I won't make you watch the camera.
I want make I talk my fans say make them keep on supporting Popolampo. Make them help me to push the Dangme music into the world. And I want thank my management. Big ups to man like Christian Uchuga, big ups man like DJ Yus, big ups man like Luis, big ups to all the people where then they push me. Big ups man like my workers for Papaya, where them to them they help small. Charlie, I say big ups to everyone where they follow the movement. Yeah, man. And also big ups to you, the SK Media, for for a long journey you have been there always to help the people. I say big and keep following me for all my social media handle. Popolampo Kakepe for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp. Just follow me, okay? I down to the world, Popolampo Kakepe. Bim.
Being popular for Kakipe and down to the world.
Lala song.
The best linking the music video back away. The Odika a year freestyle no first in the beginning. Linking that video comment link no description box na wako check it na wa share
yeah man, that's the video, narration of Jesus. Title be narration of Jesus.
Okay, that the title narration of what?
Jesus. Yeah man, I talk about the birth of Jesus Christ. Okay. The time where they born Jesus Christ. You know, this is the prophesy before they born him. Color he woke color the Bible okay na ma penuku. No make de mau make like make de nika. Ki won le mau form your bioba. Color it's about that. That's why I name it narration of Jesus. That is a story about Jesus.
Okay. So as I talk, Popolampo, they be recruit say pastor. Because of say, oye church goer artist in Tina. So at Tina, why you know they do gospel?
Oh, gospel. If you come and we go do one. But it's in everything passionate. Yeah. But if you listen, I be one type of much of the music or it's about inspiration. Kido narration of Jesus, sufferation. In a track what is sufferation, in a mission. Those tracks all talk about life. So then I start up. I dey rap about life. In my life about life then things. Nini happy. I'm telling you, can Nini happy? Get no because anyone I live in an environment only boys near me. Cause your jano like my la cause so I don't struggle. Okay, long man. I don't struggle.
But like have you been to like you have gone into pains before, like you suffered before?
Ciao.
So college you know would inspiration okay
yeah music coming.
Okay.
Sometimes the music I write, sometimes I watch myself and I do write it for myself. Sometimes too I look about people, things they go through.
So are your parents support with what you are doing?
Yeah, man.
Your dad and your...
Yeah, man. Them money, they don't say they do music. We didn't support.
We didn't support.
Yeah, man. At first, they wasn't, kick on. I knew it's fine. Okay, I will school, okay, we are school, come up, pay like, you know, moppy them, mommy them. But later, they say, nah, the boy, they go far. I make clear, I them need support. Okay. They support. Wow.
Physical or financially?
Both all.
Okay.
Both all. So if they don't support me, like it's fear needs to, cause any start schedule, you do any start schedule. No, I'm Chenakana.
Okay, so mommy and daddy. When I need to work on people lamp support and then you can have if you are say when you have more pay, when you have more pay, you can support them. When you have
we pure when you investors, you learn about invest. When you investors, about investor Popolampo la me. Because without the investors although my happy see you need a help, bigger help. Because Popolampo you get like I will go farm. Tapi Ghana your penny like more than music care. Okay. Market at the whole world. Kabini sack pure. Yeah my old trick
because we have South Africa.
Yeah man, sometimes they will sing we don't understand what we don't understand what they talk. But yes, we bang to the track. What dance?
The delivering or
you see, the things about marketing and then like so sometimes if the video them I release your track or a bargain I will pure promo.
Okay. Popolampo Kakipe. Say, ubineka badag patapa eko yie pa. And the Popolampo so obeko because you be say patapa say patapizi. Unyum na boy na aseche say o se enko bisa so for no say tons na mo ka no so mo timi kire tons na say a na yens ono so betimi a kire ni nyum na say we kasa tribe wo Ghana ada Adangbe
the Greater Accra very huge tribe
eno nkasa ba ko ene Ga Adangbe and I say Adam people when you go to big Adan for all those areas no Popolampo Kakepe wasai ohonom nyina nti yenya mumu a ko ntakra kwesi ata Donzi Medical Kofi Kinata sisi ano me ohia pa ani Kofi Kinata yesra bebre se wo hwe ya na waboa yenua yankasa yade Popolampo Kakepe ediamai Popolampo answer na baby no ube person will you like to put your number out there?
Okay, my number be 0546 33 1159 0546 33 1159 for umai ma ke WhatsApp me umai ma fiam ye no
nti yesra manum enye say e bia edi na mana to Popolampo ma hu tell you David we are here for business. Popolampo unga girl.
Oh. I can get girl. Oh.
Unga girl.
Yeah, baby, my dating, I'm single.
Okay, that means you are not single.
Yeah.
You are, so if somebody is coming right now, is the door open or?
Oh, nah.
For now.
The door is closed.
The door is closed.
Yeah, because I have to protect my music. Because if you work like my memo, you carry my poem.
Okay.
Color. For now, dear. Why you need more mapping?
Okay. So for now, no girlfriend, women's matter is out in the business.
Yeah,
for now. When the business starts booming, that's when we start to talk about.
Yeah. But right now, I no go talk about woman matter.
So now, the society of passing,
that
it's business.
Business, you know.
So number now they are to their offer for business.
Yeah, my 0546 33 1159.
Okay, me person offer voting code nusu into drama.
Okay.
They will still, because the voting is still ongoing.
Yeah.
I bet any the October 15th of October and I bet any. Until you send me brisa, you bet vote diama your brother your Popolampo. Me person they code no bet.
Okay. If you want to vote for Popolampo for as a hip hop artist of the year for Dangbe Music Award, the short code be *44 714#. If you enter my wait, you go load that and ask you enter nominee code. My nominee code be JK139. JK139. So if you come, you go ask you say how many votes you want vote. One vote be 70 pesos. Yeah, ma. So if you vote plenty, give me so say I go win. So if you enter that side, then you can proceed. The yes, one. Then you proceed So later, if you like, if you say one vote be 70 pesos. So if you the one now, that means it be 70 pesos.
You vote one.
One, yeah. So 70 pesos. So they go ask you one, then you the one. If you press hammer, you go. They will talk you say wait. If you wait, I will proceed. Then ask you say enter your mobile money pin. So they go get that 70 pesos for there. If you vote, it be only that 70 pesos. So if you vote one, but if you two, they go get 1 cedi 40 pesos. Yeah, if that one pay, they go J for them.
That means this one there you not enter no. You not enter no. Then you enter like 20 or 50.
50 votes. Yeah.
50, 100, 70% the full. And now what vote to Ediama your brother Popolampo
Kakepe.
So Owinia Yenina Yenibeji will still keep in touch with Popolampo. Any last word? A person my last freestyle now.
Freestyle in there. I'll be my mom. I think my mom. Okay. Macho Moheni EJ Adam. Ye mami munyu pele e your face. Google check Panada go mapopo do osu koban le makton higbo dangbe bi in your face le wange swag ke wayi kote kon chai wayi o makun. Welcome to Adam, my people no be Azam. Nene meke nume nyebo mode nyewo dangbe no. Nene matu dangbe munyu yaya eya de nyesi. Bima kone biyo. Watu munyu inyo Adam pa egbi. Mini o macho wo. Dangbe bi yawo leo kome ya okwa. Bounce.
Popolampo Kakepe. Nti yani your brother Popolampo and Achichi komo. Mesre se komo yi weni edge one. No subscribe to SK Media 7. Fefe who subscribe we na wa share edi ama afufo. Send any first time I will share face with our screen so no watch share for me so subscribe we are now drop a comment I subscribe now we are home for why then was subscribe to SK Media so let's be mumbai now I'm supporting your brother Popolampo men forget to say ube source ube test and so ube vote to a man vote in the back where 70% full left into unya boa bobe say 100 and say 50 and one vote to cry no less than 20.
Yeah, man. No.
One vote to cry no less than 20.
For the...
Are you mad?
No, sir. Just wanna put my vest on it.
Momo le wabanga bosi.
Tell them.
Say if you can we what we sa. Ene wasu no le hime titi ba. I go wapa.